Top 5 Best Cabinet Turntables. Revolutionize your kitchen with the best cabinet turntable. Most of us are familiar with the frustration of fumbling through a cluttered cupboard or pantry without being able to find the item we are looking for. One of these handy Lazy Susans, however, will save you from all that rummaging, as they fit in most cabinets and have turntables designed to keep jars, bottles, cartons, cans and other household supplies visible and easily accessible. When users buy our independently chosen editorial recommendations, Best Belay Devices. Best belay devices for climbing rock walls. OXO Good Grips Lazy Susan Turntable. Stow and Spin Original White.
Cabinet clutter? No problem. Stow and Spin stops clutter with its patent-pending design and holds up to 28 cans, doubling space. Our revolutionary design is so strong, it can hold 120 pounds and is guaranteed for life. Act now and get our one-tier Stow and Spin that is great for taller items.
Copco Non-Skid Under Sink Pantry Cabinet. Two-pack pantry lazy crazy sale. Utopia Crazy Susan Lazy Susan Organizer Crazy Sale.
To think about where you want, Bucky down gun. Where you want that fire down man. Where you want, Bucky down gun. Get cracking, get to think about where you want, Bucky down gun. Where you want that fire down man. Where you want, Bucky down gun.